You're thinking about investing, huh? Good on you. But let's be real, with the stock market being a roller coaster more often than not, it's easy to feel a bit lost. So, is now the right time to dive into Nutmeg? Let's break it down. First off, let's get one thing straight. Timing the market is a fool's game. No one can accurately predict where the market is headed tomorrow, let alone next month. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't invest. In fact, it's often because of market fluctuations that investing becomes even more appealing. Nutmeg, as you probably know, is an investment platform that offers automated portfolio management. It's designed to make investing accessible to everyone, from newbies to seasoned pros. But does that mean it's right for you right now? Let's talk about the benefits of investing with Nutmeg. It's hands-off, which is a huge plus for those who don't have the time or inclination to manage their investments themselves. Diversification is key, and Nutmeg spreads your money across a variety of assets, reducing your risk. And they offer a range of investment styles to suit different risk appetites. But let's address the elephant in the room, the current economic climate. We're in a period of uncertainty. Inflation is high, interest rates are rising, and there's a looming threat of recession. So, should you hit pause on your investment plans? Not necessarily. Remember, investing is a long-term game. While short-term fluctuations can be scary, history has shown that markets tend to recover over time. By investing regularly, you're taking advantage of something called pound cost averaging, which means buying more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high. That said, it's crucial to align your investments with your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're investing for a short-term goal, like a new car or a vacation, you might want to reconsider. But if you're investing for retirement or building long-term wealth, now could be a great opportunity to buy assets at a discount. So, is now a good time to invest with Nutmeg? The answer, as with most things in life, is it depends. Consider your financial situation, your investment goals, and your risk tolerance. If you're comfortable with the potential for short-term volatility and have a long-term investment horizon, Nutmeg could be a solid choice. But remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.